All right, so I believe you can solve this. It says 580 watts and 300 watts lamps are run for 8 hours if the cost of energy is 5 naira, which does not exist. 5 naira per unit. Calculate the cost of running the lamps. Now, in a house, there are lamps that are rated on 100 watts, and there are three of them. Those that are rated 80 watts are five of them. Now, you have to add them together. When you add them together, normally what you have here is 1 unit is 1 kilowatt. If you add them together, the unit will still be on watts. Now, what are you going to do? You convert it to kilowatt. Converting it to kilowatt, you divide by 1000. When you divide by 1000, to get the cost of running it for how many times? For 8 hours. Since hours is there, we're not changing it to what? Seconds. You times it by what? 8 hours. And then per unit, which is under 1 hour, is 5 naira. So 5 naira times 8 times what you converted in kilowatt. So let's do that. Now, the lamps that are 80 watts are 5. So I have 80 watts under 5 is equals to 5 times 80, which is going to give us 400. And those that are rated 100 watts is 3. So 3 times 100, as simple as that, is equals what? 300. Now we add them together so that the total watts or watts total is equals to 300 plus 400, which is 700. 700 what? Watts. Now, kilowatts, you divide by what? 1000. This cancel this. This cancel this. 7 over 10 is going to give us 0. What? 7. Now, this we have gotten it to be what? In kilowatts. Now, they now say you want to run it for 8 hours. They are going to be on for 8 hours. And price of 1 hour is 5 naira. All right, which 5 naira does not exist. What are we going to do? So this is the bulb. This is the value of the bulb. So you now do the value of the bulb, which is 0.7 times how many hours you're running it, which is 8 hours. Now in these 8 hours, since we are looking for the cost, it's going to also times 5. Why? Because 5 is the unit for what? 1. All right, so assuming we are looking for it in 1 hour, we'll just say times 1. So 0.7 is the cost of what? Running it for 1 hour. Why the cost of running it for 2 hours is going to be what? Sorry, 0.7 times 5 is going to be the cost of running for 1 hour. Why the cost of running for 8 hours now become times that 8 hours times that's what? The price, which is what? 5. Now when you times this together, this times this times this is going to give you 28.000. How many zero you have in your options? You have two decimal places, and as much know that anytime we are calculating on physics, we normally leave our answer to two what? Decimal place, always, but not constant. So this is the answer over here. And if you're writing JAM or WAEC 2027, or you're writing JUPEB, or you're writing nursing exam, don't forget to WhatsApp me or number your senior is going to join my WhatsApp online class for all subjects. Each one is graduated by 2,500 naira to understand. Very easy and simple. It's on your fingertip. Now imagine if you're learning everything here the way you have seen your topic, you're going to have it on your fingertip. JAM is not testing your capability of calculation or what you have read so far. It's testing your knowledge. So the more you understand is because most times the question will not come like this, but the understanding of what is going on here will help you to what? Understand the question that you've been asked. However, this diagram is of no use. Just put it there. Thank you.